Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to post your listing in RentEasy. First, open the app and click on Add Posting, which is in the bottom navigator. Now you need to select the images, so click on Add Image. Note the images are optional and you can add up to 5 images. Step 1. Create a title. And then you have to enter a detailed description of your listing. Even you can enter your terms and conditions. Now you have to choose your listing category and subcategory. If your listing is currently available for rent, then keep it yes, else no. Step 3. Enter your address and PIN code. Now you need to select your location, so for that click Add on Map button. You can simply select current location or select manually. Finally, you have to enter the rent amount. And then select rent cycle. Now click on Post for Free button. You have successfully posted your listing. If you want to edit your listing, click on the Profile button. Now click on the My Postings button. Here you can manage, edit and delete your listings. Click on the Edit button. Now edit your changes and click on the Save button. In this way, you can post your listing to make passive income. Thank you for watching this video.